I'm here with Laure on the YellowScan booth. Laure, what does YellowScan do?
So YellowScan is a French company, and we design and commercialize LiDAR for UAVs. So basically we integrate the laser scanner, the IMU, GPS, onboard computer, the battery and the data storage, so you have a very standalone and easy to use LiDAR system.
And behind us here is one of these systems, so it's a self-enclosed all you want for LiDAR.
Yes, definitely. That's the surveyor system, so you just have the only cable you can see is the cable that goes from the LiDAR to its antenna above here.
Ah, okay. And you guys have a range of different scanners focused on different use cases.
Yes, definitely. So we have a range of about 6 different systems with different precisions, different accuracies, different range, different swaths. So basically, depending on the applications you're working in, you'll take one of the other systems. So the surveyor, this one is like a Swiss Army knife, but it's limited to 60 meters. So it's good precision accuracy, but limited in range. The Surveyor Ultra, which looks like this one but with 32 lasers, is perfect for forestry or fixed wing flights because it scans has a 60 kilohertz scan rate. Okay. This one has 300, and it has 32 lasers. So basically, it's penetrating the vegetation at 32 different angles.
Ah, okay. Now, one of the things I saw with you guys last year was your LiveStation. Could you explain what that is to folks?
Yeah, so the LiveStation is basically a pair of radio modem and a software. Yeah. And the radio modem, one is on your computer, the other one is linked to your LiDAR. And it transfers part of the data to your computer in real time so that you can visualize your point cloud while you're flying and check that you have everything you want on the point cloud, that you're seeing points under the vegetation. You can do transects, you can check that you don't have any shadow areas. So it's perfect to monitor what you're actually doing.
Before you find out, you go home and you figure, whatever, there's something wrong. Because when I was at one of their demo days last year at their home location, and I saw this in action when you were doing the LiDAR scan of the aqueduct. And just seeing it in real time, seeing the drone flying along and seeing a real-time LiDAR being built up was pretty impressive. Now, in the energy and utility space, any specific use cases you guys are seeing where people are using LiDAR?
So there are quite a few different use cases that our systems are used for. The first one is definitely mapping power lines and the offending vegetation around it so that you know where to trim. There are some other ones prior to the implementation of power farms like
solar farms or wind farms or whatever.
Exactly. Especially we have had some cases where they looked at the area with the solar farm, and with the trees they would evaluate how high they would be in 2-3 years, so what the efficiency of the solar panels would be over the years.
Ah, okay, so to plan out when the vegetation grows.
Exactly.
And certainly with a lot of the stuff with wildfires in the US, I've seen from around here a lot more interest in folks looking at LiDAR vegetation management, far more so than the last 12 months.
Yeah, for sure. If you have vegetation that is going to kick in your power line, then it's a big danger. You could definitely catch fire. So it's very important to be go trimming when you need to and have as less as possible dangerous vegetation.
And in today's world, given some of the tragic events that happened in the US, you'll also have to be able to prove that you had done surveys, you had sent the crews out before or after. So there's a lot of compliance stuff coming down the line, and LiDAR fits into that.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, thank you very much. I wish you well.
Thank you, Kevin. Have a nice day. Bye.